Hi, this is Uma from EduContra Bhopal. Today let's discuss part 2 and part 3 of the IELTS speaking test. Let's first concentrate on part 2. Talk about traveling by plane. You should say what journeys you have made or want to make, what you like about plane travel, how nervous you are about plane journeys, and say why traveling by plane is so popular. I believe in my country, traveling by flight has always been a sort of status symbol since days of yore. I have traveled by a plane to many destinations over the years. I've gone to places which are hill stations or places which have a historical importance, sometimes even to my hometown, sometimes to places of religious importance. I've always enjoyed plane journeys, and there are a lot of things that I like about plane travel. The first and foremost is that it is very comfortable, and then you feel like royalty when you fly. Another important thing is that you save a lot of time because time comes at a premium today. So, when you're able to travel a few hundred kilometers in just under an hour, it definitely helps you to manage your time. You're able to plan for many days in advance if you're able to have a way to travel by flight. The kind of hospitality that is shown on the flight by the crew and the wonderful views that you get when you're on a flight, especially when you're traveling above the clouds, gives you a feeling of a high. So I always end up taking quite a few photographs, and of course, I've never ever really been nervous about plane journeys. The only time you feel nervous is when it's taking off or when it's landing, because if something goes wrong, then there's going to be a disaster. And traveling by plane has become very popular today in my country because of many reasons. The first thing is that people's purchasing power has gone up a lot. And today we have more flights connecting different cities across the country. And of course, at least in my country, many corporates offer the facility of flight travel to their employees and their families. So I believe that traveling by plane is becoming very popular today. Thank you. Now let's move on to part 3 of the same topic. Is plane traveling helping people to be more tolerant of cultural differences? I guess so, because when you travel along with a group of people from different castes, different religions, and different cultural backgrounds, you become close to them, you interact with them, and I believe you become more tolerant of the differences that you may have with the others. Should airline security be increased further? I guess so. With every passing day, traveling by flight also has become quite a security risk because of the kind of things that we hear on the news. Anyone and anybody can enter a plane and hold the plane to ransom. So I believe security has to be increased. How would you improve air travel in your country? I believe that we can improve air travel by having more flights across smaller sectors. See, the airlines generally prefer to fly on big sectors between different big cities because there it is viable. But I believe that we should also try to integrate the small B2 tier cities in the plane travel. Does travel broaden the mind or is it just an excuse for buying souvenirs, sightseeing, and status seeking? Oh, I believe that travel broadens the mind. You get to see so many different places. You see different countries or different towns and you meet different kinds of people. So, somewhere or the other, I'm sure it will have an impact on you and you will definitely try to imbibe the good things of that particular place or that particular group of people. When do you think there will be possibilities to travel to the moon or Mars? I believe in the immediate future. No doubt going to the moon has still not gained a lot of popularity, but people are definitely trying to visit the Martian planet to explore its possibilities of habitation. So I'm sure in about 15 to 20 years from now, we can think of people traveling to the moon or Mars.